ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम्
अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम्
आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेभीष्टसिद्धये
आत्मानम् अखिलाधारम् आश्रयेभीष्टसिद्धये
अर्थतोऽप्यद्वयानन्दानतीतद्वैतभानतः
अर्थतोऽप्यद्वयानन्दानतीतद्वैतभानतः
गुरुनाराध्य वेदान्तसारम् वक्ष्ये यथामति।
गुरुनाराध्य वेदान्तसारं वक्ष्ये यथामति।
You have completed Vedanta Sara, the text, the proper, the last class. Subodhini Tika, there are some last passages are left out. So that we will read, but it runs for many pages. So we will not see the word by word or line by line meaning. Just we will see the gist because we have to complete it today. So I will quickly go read and then tell the meaning. Certain things I'll skip also. So from here, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. That is after talking about the Vignas, Chatvaraha, Vignaha. Then what is Nirvikalpa Samadhi is talked about. Then it is compared to the lamp which is placed in a windless space. So after that, so I will read from Atha. Atha Nirvikalpa Samadho Swaguru Upadishta Margena Yathamati Kinchit Vicharyate. Panchabhumikopetasya chittasya bhumika traya parityagena avashishta bhumika dvayam samadhi uchyate. ताः पंचभूमिकाः क्षिप्तं मूढं विक्षिप्तं एकाग्रं निरुद्धं च इति पंच चित्तभूमिकाः. So Nirvikalpa Samadhi, with regard to Nirvikalpa Samadhi as taught by the Guru, it's Swaguru Upadishta Margena, in line with what the teacher had taught, we will do the Vicharyam, Kinchit Vicharyate, Vicharam Kurmaha. Pancha Bhumika Upetasya Chittasya. There's a term called Pancha Bhumihi, with regard to Chitta. Bhumika Traya Parityagena, Avishya Bhumika Doyam Samadhihi. The Chitta Bhumihi, the word Chitta Bhumihi refers to the stage, this Bhumi stage of mind, the life of a sadhaka, and the word is used by Patanjali in the Yoga Sutra. So 5 Chitta Bhumis, 5 stages of Chitta, the life of a sadhaka. And Vyasacharya, in Vyasa Bhashya of the Yoga Sutra of Patanjali Maharishi, Chitta is classified into 5 states. Kshipram, Modam, Vikshiptam, Ekagram, Viruddham cha Chitta Bhumayaha. So among the 5, the 3 are with regard to the first 3. Kshipram, Modam, Vikshiptam, that is the initial stage. The later 2 stage is pertaining to Samadhi. What is Kshipram, what is Modam, what is Vikshiptam, everything the author has mentioned here. Just quick references. Tatra Asura Sampat Lokashastra Regavasanasu Vartamanam Kshiptamiti Uchyate. Nidra Tandra Digrastam Chittam Modamiti Uchyate. What is Kshiptam? What is Modam? He says, Kada Chitka Dhyana Yuktam Bagirgamana Shilam Api Ukta Kshipta Vishishtataya Vikshiptam Chittamiti Uchyate. Tatra Kshipta Modayoho Samadhitva Shanka Nasti. So therefore, Kshiptam, Modam, Vikshiptam. What are they? Kshiptam is the condition, the state in which the mind is scattered. The mind is completely in a scattered stage. Modam means the mind is in a dull state, confused state. That is modam. Vikshipta is the mind is distracted, agitated, puzzled. So these 3 stages in the beginning. Nidra, Tandra, Nidra is sleep, Tandra, tire, that is modam. Then sometimes when Kadachitka Dhyana Yuktam, Bagirgamana Shilamapi, Kshipta Vishishtataya Vikshiptamiti, Vikshiptam Chittamiti Uchyate. Vikshiptam is Bagirgamana, therefore mind is scattered. Tatra Kshipta Moda Yoho, we should not confuse Kshipta Moda. They do not. Samadhitvasya Shanka Nasti. So in the beginning stage, Kshiptam, after that Modam, then Vikshiptam, then comes Ekagram and Niruddham. Vikshipte tu Chetasi Vikshepantargata Tata Daganantargata Bijavatu Chittasya Sadyayava Vinashat Apina Samadhihi. Ekagratam Patanjalihi Sutra iti Shanto Rito Tulya Pratyo Chittasya Ekagrata Parinamah iti Asya Artaha. Shantaha, Atitaha, Uditaha, Vartamanaha, then Pratyaha, Chittavrittihi, Atita Pratyaha, Yam Padatam, Parigranati, Ditopi, Tameva Chet, Grinniya Tata, Tau Bau, Tulya Pratya Bhavataha, Tadrisha Eva Chittasya Parinama, Ekagrata iti Uchyate. Ekagrata Abhivrddhi Laksham, Savadim Sutra iti, Sarvartaikagra Tayoho, Tayodayo Chittasya Parinama Samadhihi iti. So he's talking about this 5 things. Kshiptam is when the mind is distracted by rajas, that is Kshiptam. The mind is distracted by the worldly objects. The mind is extremely unsteady. That is Kshiptam. The state of mind which, the state of mind which involves agitation, anxiety. The mind is more involved in vyavahara, worldly vyavahara, and indriya sukham. So it always moves towards the sensory objects, vishaya. The man is more extrovert. The sadhaka, not even a sadhaka, we cannot say sadhaka. Maybe because beginning stage, therefore, more extrovert, and therefore it's a mixture of both pleasure and pain. The mind is involved in the pursuit of happiness, and therefore it is after Shabda Sparsha Rupa Rasagandha. And these Jnanendriyas will not satiate the desires in the beginning, the person, the life of the sadhaka, all these things. That is the beginning stage. Mind is untrained, so therefore, the beginning, the untamed, it will react. So that is in the beginning stage. That is Shiptam. Then Mudam. Mudam is a stage when the mind is inert, like in sleep, Nidra Tandra, as the author said. It is in the state of inertia. So that makes the mind dull due to Tamoguna. So in the beginning it was Rajas, now it is Tamoguna dominance. So therefore there will be Krodha, Moha, Lobha, other Matsarya, all the Shadripu that rise in the state, in the mind of the person. That is the stage. That is the state. You would not be able to take any proper decisions. His Viveka Buddhi is lost. His mind is overpowered by the vritti like Nidra, Tandra, Pramada, etc. But according to the yoga, this is considered. This state is considered. This state is considered better than Kshipta. So it is a next stage. Therefore, it's considered better than Kshipta. Then comes Vikshipta. Vikshipta is when the distraction is there, but the distraction it changes, it alternates with the tranquility, with the peace. That peace is caused by sattva. So there is peace, there is shanta vritti, there is also kshipta, there is also distraction. So this is different from the kshipta avastha. Kshipta avastha, that state is where the mind is completely distracted. Whereas here, there are relative steady state, the peace of the mind, because of sattva-guna. Because of sattva-guna, the chitta remains relatively stable. So the sadhaka at this stage understands the life is dukkhamayam, therefore slowly turns its attention towards the Lord. But again, what happens? The chitta starts vacillating and goes after sense pleasures and loses stability. So this is this avastha. Third avastha, vikshipta. Then comes the ekagrata. Ekagrata is that when the mind is free of rajas and tamas. So it is ekagra, one-pointed. So rajoguna and tamoguna, they are overpowered by sattva. That is the avastha. All the bhagya vrittis, they cease. Mind remains in the state of ekagrata. So all the kleshas, they are destroyed. All the klesha, all the vasanas, all the sakama karma, that is the actions which are performed with desires, desire prompted activities. All these diminish or they are given up at this stage. So that state of mind is called samprajnata samadhi. The language of Yoga Shastra, it is called samprajnata samadhi. Then comes niruddha, that is the final avastha. So where all the vrittis, they are completely chittavritti nirodha restrained because of the practice of tapas, svadhyaya, dhyana. The vrittis of the chitta, they completely get reduced, and the person, and what remains is the knowledge. The knowledge arised from the sampragnata samadhi. So this is asampragnata samadhi, or in which all the vrittis dissolve. And the smriti of sampragnata also goes away, and the yogi attains the highest state called nirvana. So therefore, it means the chitta returns back to the mula prakriti, comes back to its original state, mula prakriti. In the case of Jivan Mukta, he gains moksha. So this is the chitta bhumika, the 5 states of the mind. So that's what author here says. And he quotes from the Yoga Sutra, appropriate the Sutram also. Rajogunena chalyamanam chittam kramena sarva arthan padarthan parigrinati tasya rajogunasi nirodhaya kriyamanena prayatra visheshana dine dine yogiraha sarvatata kshiyate ekagrata cha udeti tadrshi chittasya parinamah samadhihi. That tadrishasya chittasya parinamaha, the modification of that mind is called samadhi. That rajoguna is overpowered. Rajoguna nirodhaya, rajogunasya nirodhaya, kriyamana prayatra visheshana dine dine yoginaha, every day, sarvartha kshiyate ekagrata cha udeti. There is one-pointedness, ekagrata in the chitta. That parinama, that modification of the mind, that is called samadhi iti uchyate. And samadhi we saw in the Ashtanga Yoga. We will skip yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara. Up to that, there are pancha bhagiranga sadhanani. And what are yama, niyama, we know. Himsadibhya, nishiddebhya, yoginam, karmabhya, yamayanti, nivartayanti, iti, ahimsadaya, yamaha, ahimsa, etc. called yama. Then what is niyama? And all we saw. Yama niyama yoga anushtana vailakshanyam smaryate. So yama, niyama, then asana, pranayama. All these things are vyakyataha. Asana, pranayama, pratyaharaha, vyakyataha. Dhyana dharana samadhi trayam. Mano vishayatvad. Samyak pragnata samadhi antarangam yamadikam to bhagirangam. So starting from yama up to pratyahara, they are bhagiranga sadhana. The dhyana dharana samadhi, they are antaranga sadhana. Then tatacha kenapi punyena antarange pratamam labde sati bhagiranga labhaya na ati prayasaka kartavyaha. If the person somehow if he gets dhyanam, dharanam, dhyana, samadhi naturally, maybe because of pura samskara, then bhagiranga labhaya, to gain bhagiranga, the person doesn't have to make much effort. Na ati prayasaka kartavyaha. Yadyapi Patanjalina bhautika bhuta तन्मात्र इंद्रिय अहंकार विषयाः संप्रज्ञात समाधयः बहुधा प्रपंचिताः तथापि तेषाम् अंतर्दान आकाश गमनादि सिद्धि हेतुतया मुक्ति हेतु समाधि विरोधित्वात् अस्माभिः तत्र आदरः क्रियते तथा च उक्तं वसिष्ठे योगवासिष्ठे. Here, by practicing on the Ashtanga Yoga of the Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, that has to be practiced as it is said. Then the person gains certain siddhi. The person gains certain siddhi. What will happen gaining those such siddhis? Will it help the person to gain spiritual prosperity? Moksha? No. In fact, that will lead the person away from the main goal, the main pursuit. Moksha. So therefore, the author he quotes from Yoga Vasishta. Yoga Vasishta is a beautiful text. It's a big text. where the Vasishtha Maharishi, he teaches Rama. So he quotes from there. It's a long quote. Srirama Uvacha, Jivan Mukta Shariranam Katam Atmavidambara Shaktayo Nega Drishyante Akasha Gamanadikaha. Akasha Gamana means flying in the sky, going by the sky, not by flight. That is Siddhi. Vasishta Uvacha, Anatmavida Muktopi, Siddhi Jalani Vanchati, Drabyamantra Kriyakala, Yuktya Apnoti Eva Raghava, Natmagyasya Eshaha Vishayaha Atmagyo hi Anatmadrika, Atmanatmani Santushtaha na Avidyam Anudhavati, Yena Kechana Jagad Bhavaha Tan Avidya Vidyamayan Viduhu, Katam Teshu Kila Atmagyasya Atmagyah Yakta Vidyo Nimajjati, Drabyamantra Kriya Kala Yuktayah Sadhu Siddhidaha, Paramatma Padapravto Nopakuruvanti Kaschana iti. Jivan Mukta Shariranam Katam Atma Vidamara. Sorry, Rama Haskar. So, after gaining spiritual knowledge, after gaining jnanam, why the person who has gained knowledge, that is Muktaha, why these Shaktis are not seen in those people? Akasha Gamanadikaha Shakteha na iga drishyante. Rama asks, then Vasishta, for that says, Hey Rama, please listen, Hey Raghava, Shrinu, this Siddhis of flying, etc., they belong to the people who are, they belong to the people who are endowed with the Rajas. Akasha Gamanadini, and Yetani, Kalu Shaktayaha. They are endowed with Rajas, that is, they want some siddhis. So therefore, all these things, the siddhis, they according to the tendency of the mind and the tendency of the shariram, they are not desired by a real spiritual person. Anatmavita muktopi. All these siddhis are not desired by a Jivan Mukta, the person who has gained jnanam and is free. These are not desired. Because these can be achieved by mantra, tantra, other sadhana can be dravya karma kriya, kala shaktya prapnoti. These can be gained. For that, one need not take up to the spiritual marga. So therefore, this akasha kavanadi, all these are not the intention. This is not the goal of a really commit spiritual person. He is concerned only with the knowledge of Atma. So he is concerned only with the understanding, with the knowledge of Ekatvam of Ishvara, with Ishvara, Ekatvam with Ishvara. Therefore, he doesn't confuse the practices which the ignorant takes up in the name of yoga. It doesn't mix up, it doesn't confuse. So all these, all these are nothing but samsara only. All these are samsara. Ekechana jagat bhavas tan avidya maya viduhu. Vidya maya, all these are avidya maya only. Therefore, only those who are muda, they are foolish, who are grossly ignorant, they only are after all this. So this is a worldly pursuit. This is not a spiritual at all. So therefore, Paramatma Pada Prapto, in gaining the Paramatma Padam, no one is interested. The real committed person, na upakurvanti kaschana. It will not bring any good to the spiritual committed person. Therefore, he shuns. So iti that siddhi which are the byproducts achieved in the life of a sadhaka, they are dismissed. They're dismissed. So saying, so in Yoga Shastra itself, Vibhuti Pada is there. There it is talked about what the siddhis, the power, the shakti, which a sadhaka gains by practicing certain anga, certain values, certain sadhana for a long time. As we also saw, practicing satyam, whatever the person says, that happens. Only practicing pranayama, body becomes light. You will gain all the ashtama siddhi, ashtasiddhi, anima, garima, lagima, etc. But all these are worldly pursuits only. It will not liberate the person from samsara. Therefore, Atmavishyastu Sampragnata Samadhi Vasanakshayasya Nirodha Samadhesya Hetuhu Tasmat Cha Adaraha Krataha Ataha Ata Panchabhumika Rupa Chittasya Nirodha Lakshana Samadhi Nirupyate. So Panchabhumika Rupa Chittasya Nirodha Lakshana, the final stage Niruddha, that is Samadhi, iti Nirupyate. Tamcha Samadhim Sutrayati. The author quotes from the Patanjali Yoga Sutra, that is Vyuttana Nirodha Samskara Yoga Abhibhava Pradurbhava Nirodha Chittanvayaha Nirodha Parinamaha. This is 3.9 Patanjali Yoga Sutra 3.9. That is Vyuttana Nirodha Samskara. Vyuttana Nirodha Samskara. Vyuttana means giving up. Vyuttana Janitanam Samskaranam Abhibhavaha Yada Bhavati. Nirodha Janitanam Samskaram Pradurbhavaha Yada Bhavati. Tada Taisaha Nirodha Kalikasya Chittasya Anvayena Nirodha Parinamaha Bhavati. That is, there is the restlessness of the mind. Vyuttana Janitanam Samskaranam Abhibhavaha. Abhibhavaha is Nirodha, overcoming. Overcoming the samskara, the vasanas of the mind which is restless. And the Nirodha Janitanam Samskaranam Pradurbhavaha. So, when the Pradurbhavaha is Utpatti, when there is Utpatti of Nirodha Janita Samskara which is gained by the restraining, then the mind becomes completely calm. Nirodha Kalikasya Chittasya Nirodha Parinamaha Bhavati. The mind undergoes a change that it's called Nirodha Parinamaha. That is, the mind becomes completely still. Complete stillness arises in the mind. So Vyuttana Samskaraha Samadhi Virodhinaha Techa Nishiddha Hetuna Yogi Prayatnena Pratidanam Pratikshanam Cha Abhibhuyate. Vyuttana Samskara is the samskara, the vasanas, which create disturbances. Vyuttana Samskaraha, that opposite to Samadhi. Therefore, Yogi Pratidanam Pratikshanam, he attempts to overpower it. Tad Virodhinascha Samskaraha Pradurbhavanti. Therefore, Tad Virodhinaha, opposed to that is Nirodha Janita Samskara, they arise. Pradurbhavanti. Tata Asati, when that happens, then Nirodhaha Ekaikasmin Kshane Chittam Anugachanti. There will be complete restriction, restraining of the mind. That is, the mind enjoys the tranquility. Sahayam Idrisha Chittasya Parinamaha Bhavati. That Parinama, that Idrisha Chittasya, that Chittam, which is in which all the disturbances are overpowered by this Nirodha Samskara, then the mind is said to be Nirodha Parinama, Chitta. Yada bhavati tada asampragnata samadhi uchyate. That is called asampragnata samadhi in the language of Yoga Shastra. That the mind enjoys complete tranquility. All the Yutta Janita Samskaras are overpowered. And also the Nirodha Janita Samskaras arise. So therefore the mind becomes Nirodha Parinama. That state of the mind, Chittasya, Nirodha Parinamaha Bhavati. Yada Bhavati, that's Samadhi, that absorption is called Asampragnata Samadhi iti Uchyate, the language of Yoga Shastra. So Sampragnata Samadhi, Asampragnata Samadhi. Sampragnata Samadhi, Sabhija Samadhi, Savikalpa Samadhi. Asampragnata Samadhi, Nirbija Samadhi, Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Etat Samadhi Dvayam Jivan Muktasya Eva Sambhavati, Na Anyasya iti. Manasi Nidaya, Pratam Jivan Mukta Swarupam Pratipadaitam Pratijanite Atha iti. This Samadhi Dvayam happens only for a Jivan Mukta, not for any other others. Therefore, keeping this in mind, therefore Jivan Mukta Swarupam, the author presents Atha iti, he declares. Tasya Lakshanamaha, Jivan Muktaha Nama Ityadina, Brahmanishtaha iti antena. What is Jivan Muktaha? Brahmanishtaha ityartaha. He defines Jivan Mukta as Brahmanishta, we saw. Atra Akila Bandharahitaha Brahmanishtaha Jivan Muktaha iti Tasya Lakshanam. He is free from all the bandha, all the bondages. Brahmanishtaha Jivan Muktaha iti Tasya Jivan Muktasya Lakshanam. Jivataha Purushasya hi Kartrutva Bhoktrutva Sukha Dukkha Lakshanaha Akilaha Yaha Chitta Dharmaha Saha Klesha Rupatvat Bandhaha Bhavati. Tena Ragitaha Parityakta Bandhanaha Brahmani Nishta Tad Eka Parata Yasya Saha Brahmanishtaha Jivan Muktaha Ityartaha. So Jivataha Purushasya, while living itself, all the kleshas in the form of, all the difficulties, dukkha in the form of Kartrutva, Bhoktrutva, Sukha, Dukkha, enter, all these are Chitta Dharmaha. These bind the person. Without that, Tena Ragitaha, Parityakta Bandhanaha, all these bandhas, bondages are given up. And there is Ekaparata, oneness in Brahmani, that is Brahmanishta, that person, yes, that person, Brahmanishtaha, is called Jivan Muktaha. Sakalabandharagiti etumaha swarupa iti. The etu is given, Sakalabandha swarupa iti, swaswarupe tishtati. So swarupa referring to the passage in the text. Guru Shruti Swanubhavaihi Brahmatmaikatva Vijnanena Mula Jnana Tatkarya Sanchita Karmadi Namapi Baditatva Sarvabandharagityam Upapadyate. By Guru Shruti and Swanubhava is one's own Anubhava, Aproksha, one's own Anubhava is Nishta. So Guru Shruti and Swanubhavaihi, by the knowledge of Brahmatmaikatva Jnanam, Mula Jnana and the Karya, the products of Ajnana, Sanchita, Karma, etc. All these are Bhaditattva, they are negated. Therefore, he becomes free from all the bandha. That is Upapadyate, that is tenable. And Tatacha, Shrutihi also says, Vidyate Hridayakantihi iti. Then, Nanu Etadrishasya Jivan Muktasya, Degendriyadi Bhanamastiva Nava iti Ashankya, Jagdapata, Nyayena, Indrajala, Nirmita, Saugandha Samudradi, Vacha, Badita, Anuvritya, Mityatvena, Bhaneyapi, Paramatataya, Bharanaitiyaha, Ayamityadira, Na Pashyanti, iti antena. Nanu Etadrishasya Jivan Muktasya, Father Jivan Mukta. Degendriyadi Bhanamastiva, will there be continuation of the body, mind, etc. or not? Iti Ashankya. Dagda Pata Nyayena, it is like the pata, the rope which is burned, Dagda Pata, the cloth which is burned, or it is like a Indrajala. Indrajala Nirmita Saugandha Samudra, by magic, Sauda Samudra. Sauda is white, Sudha Samudra. By Indrajala, by magic, the ocean is created. So like that. So, Dagda Pata Nyayena, Pata which is Dagda, burnt. Similarly, Indrajala Nirmita Sauda Samudradivat. It's like Indrajala. It's a magic. So, Badita Anuvritya, so Deha, etc., they are Badita. They are Mithya. Mityatvena Bhanaya Pidi, even their apparent appearance only, like the magic. The magic is not really real. It is apparently real. Similarly, Dagdapata, the burnt, the rope appears like a rope, but it is not real. So Vidyatvena Bhanayapi, it's only apparent existence. Paramarthataya, it doesn't really exist for the jnani. Therefore, na pashyanti. Therefore, he doesn't see as the worldly people see, as samsari see. Means it doesn't give reality to it. It has only apparent existence. The world and its Sharira Manasangata has only apparent existence, not real existence, because he has dismissed as mithya the wake of knowledge. Asminarte Shrutim Aga, in this meaning, Shruti, he quotes from the Shruti, we saw Sachakshuhu, Achakshuhu iva, Karnaha iva. That is, though he has eyes, he is one without eyes. Doesn't have eyes. Though he has eyes, he doesn't have eyes. Though he has ears, he doesn't have ears. So iti Shruti aha. Acharya Vachanam Pramanayati Uktam Chaiti. Acharya Vachanam is Acharya quoted from Upadesha Sagasri. Acharya is Shankaracharya. So he quoted from Upadesha Sagasri. The author quoted from Upadesha Sagasri of Shankara Bhagavad Acharya Vachanam Pramanayati Uktam Chaiti. That we saw. Ega Jagati in this world. Sava Saha Eva Atmavit Nanyahiti me Nischayaha iti Anvayaha. This person only in this world is Atmavit, not any other person. This is a quote from the Upadesha Sagasri. There is no one other than this person who is the knower of Atma. Saha Kaha iti apekshayamaha yaha iti. Who is that person? Yaha. Yaha kaha. Yaha kopi mahapurushaha brahmatvaikatva sakshatkarena nirasta samasta bheda buddhihi सुषुप्तावस्थायां यथा द्वैतं न पश्यति तथा ब्रह्मदृष्टिः धार्ढ्येन जागृतावस्थायामपि द्वैतं न पश्यति तद्दृष्ट्या ब्रह्मव्यतिरिक्त जडपदार्थ अभावात् सः तथोक्तः. That person, यः कः सः, is the person Mahapurushah by Brahmatmaikatva Sakshatkarena, by the Aprokshanabhuti, by the knowledge of oneness of Brahma and Atma, the one who has dismissed all the Veda Buddhi, like in the Sushupti Avastha, the person doesn't see Dvaitam, Tadvat, Jagrata Avasthayamapi, Dvaitam na Pashyati, he doesn't see Dvaita in the Jagrata Avastha. Dharma Vyatirikta, Jada Padartha, Abhava, there is nothing other than Brahma. That person, that the Drishti, one who has that person, is Saha. Yaha Saha, that person. Kinchit, Kadachit, Yuttana Dashayam. Yuttana Dashayam. Avidya Samskara Lesha Vashad Brikshatanadi Vyavaharena Tvayam Pashyanapi Samadhi Abhyasa Samartya Vashat Advayatvena Pashyati Sacha Uktaha. So Yuttana Dashayam, that is when the person is not in Samadhi, not in Nishta. So therefore Yuttana Dashayam Avidya Samskara Lesha. That is just because of this samskara before. So he undertakes certain activities like Dikshatanam, etc. So that is Vyavahara. So Vyavahara implies Dvayam, Advaitam. So Dvaitam Pashyanati. Because of the force of Samadhi Abhyasa, Pashyanapi na Pashyati, Advaitena eva Pashyati. He doesn't see Dvaita, he sees only Advaitam, Brahma eva. Because of the Samadhi Abhyasa Samartya Vashat. Yascha Loka Sangrahatam Nityadi Karmani Kurvanapi Atmani Kartatva Abhava Nishchayena Nishkriyaha Karmaragitaha Bhavati. Like in Gita, we say Karmani कर्मणि प्रवृत्तोपि न कुर्वति किंचित, कर्मण्यपि प्रवृत्तोपि न किंचित करोति. So lokasangaratam, for the lokasangaratam, it does nityadi karma, kurvanapi doesn't have kartrutva bhava, therefore atmaham atma nishkriyaha karmaragitaha karma palena na lipyate. He is not touched by karma pala. Saha jivan muktaha na atra samshayaha. There is no doubt should be entertained with regard to this. Na samshayaha kartavyaha atra ityartaha. ननु अस्य जीवन मुक्तस्य योगीश्वरस्य मम पुण्य पाप लेपः न अस्ति इति अभिमानवशात् यथेष्टाचरण प्रसंगम आशंक्य परिहरति अस्य ज्ञानात् इति. An objection. जीवन मुक्तस्य योगीश्वरस्य, because of punya papa lepah, punya papa na asti iti abhimanat, punya papa not there. Because Katrutva not there, therefore no karma pala not there, therefore punya papa not there. Why can't this person can act as he likes? Teshta charanam prasanga comes, he can act as he likes. That also the author dismisses. Asya purvokta jivan muktasya jnanat prageva shantyadi gunaihi ashubhavasanaya nivaritatvat samsara dashayam aprayatnena aharadi pravrittivat tattva ज्ञानोत्तरम अपि शुभानाम एव वासनानाम अनुवृत्ति भवति न अशुभ वासनाम इत्यर्थः. Very clear, we can understand. Before yet the purvokta jivan muktasya jnanat pra, before jnanam, before the rise of jnanam, he has cultivated shantyadi guna, shama dama titiksha samadhana mityadi guna. So all these are shubha vasana. By that samsara vasanas are driven out, and these vasanas, these traits, without any effort, becomes natural for the person. Therefore, there will be only anuvritti of Shubha Vasana, there will not be anuvritti of Ashubha Vasana, because which are already dealt in the beginning stage, beginning life of the sadhaka. Therefore, Agaradi Pravrittivat, like the Agara, etc., as it continues as it was before. Similarly, Shubha Vasana continues. ननु शुभवासन अनुवृत्ते अपि प्रयोजन अभावात् किं तद् अनुवृत्त्या इति अतः आह शुभाशुभयोः इति. शुभवासन अनुवृत्ति प्रयोजनात् प्रयोजन अभावात् किं प्रयोजन अभावात् तद् अनुवृत्त्या, that is शुभवासन अनुवृत्त्या Kim prayojanam Shubhavasana, there is anuvritya of Shubhavasana. What is that? That anuvritya, Shubhavasana anuvritya iti kim prayojanam. Prayojana abhavat. Kim, what is the use? There is anuvritya of Shubhavasana, but tad anuvritya kim prayojanam itiyaha Shubhashubayoho iti. Kim prayojanam tad anuvritya kim. There is no prayojanam of the Shubha Vasana for this person, for the Jivan Mukta. Therefore, tad anuvritya, Shubha Vasana anuvritya iti ata aha Shubhashubayoho. The person does it, there is no prayojanam of Shubha Vasana for the person. Shubha Vasana continues. But with regard to Shubha Vasana is udasinaha eva, audasinyam. We saw Shubhashubayoho, audasinyam. With regard to both, he will be indifferent. Either he will be indifferent or he will be doing activities as he was doing before, like the eating, etc., as he was doing. So therefore, there is Shubhashubayoho, Shubhavasana no anuvrittehe api. Even though there is anuvritti of Shubhavasana, prayojana bhavat, there is no prayojanam of that. Like the Shubhavasanas were useful before, in the stage of the life of the sadhaka in the beginning, but not after jnanam. But it continues. Therefore, the person is indifferent with regard to that. Shubhashubayoho audasinyam. Therefore, tasma jivan muktasya yatesh. Therefore, because Ubhavasana continues, therefore there is no yateshta charanam. That is the prayojanam. That is, if you want to say what is the prayojanam, then that is the prayojanam. There is no yateshta charanam. He doesn't act as he likes. That is why dharma is spontaneous in that person. Yateshta charana prasangaha na asti iti bhavaha. Kim prayojanam tadanuvritya kim prayojanam iti prichet. There is no yateshta charanam. He doesn't act as he wishes. It means he doesn't act in a dharmic manner. Asmin arte grantantaram sambhadayati. He quotes from the grantantaram taduktam iti. Taduktam iti he quotes from Nishkarma Siddhi and Upadesha Sagastri. We saw. Jivan Muktasya Brahma Jnanitva Abhimanaha Na Asti Nasti iti atrapi Sammati Maha Brahmavitvam iti. Brahmavitvam tata muktva saha atmajnaha na chetara. From Upadesha Sagastri. We saw. So he is Atmajna who has given up all the false values. Not any other people, not any other person. That is Nishkarma Siddhi. Sorry, Upadesha Sagastri, which we saw. Nanu vidusham yateshta charana prasangaha na asti iti uktam tad anupapannam. One objection. Vidusham jnaninam yateshta charana prasangaha nasti. It is not there. There is no act. There is no yateshta charana prasanga nasti iti uktam. Jnani doesn't act as he likes iti. What is said? That is not proper. How do you say? Na matruvadhena, na pitruvadhena, yasya nahankarto bhavaha, buddhir yasya na lipyate, hatvapi iman loka, na hanti na nibadhyate, ayameda shata sahasrani, yatakurute, brahmaghata lakshanani, parmartavit punyehi na cha papehi lipyate manujaha, ashwameda sahasrani, brahmahatya shatani cha, koronapi na lipyeta, yadi ekattam prapashyati, sabaya Sabayam Praptaha Tadartam Yatate Chayaha Sapunaha Sabayam Gantum Swatantraha Chetna Nahi Ichati Arabda Karma Nanatva Bhago Nanatva Buddha Nanatvat Buddha Namani Anyatha. Yeah, it's all these are quoting from different Shruti and Smriti. Vartanantena Shastrarte Vibhramtavyam na Pandita Ityadi Shruti Smriti Bihi Yukta Vakyeki Vidusha Miteshta Charanatva Angikarat Chet Satyam Tesha Machananam Vidvat Suti Paratvena Tat Kartavyam Iti Atra Tat Tatparya Bhavat. He quotes from all this Shruti and Smriti to say, Ityadi Shruti Smriti Bihi Yukta Vakyehi Vidusham Iteshta Charanatva Angikarat. The Vidusha, a Jnani, can act as he likes. Angikarat iti chet Tesham Vachananam Vidvat Suti Paratvena. All these were the glorification of the Jnani. All these are glorification of the Jnani. Therefore, the Yateshta Charanam is not. Vidvat Suti Paratvena eva. All these Shruti Smriti Vakyas are there. Tat Kartavyatam iti atra Tatparya Bhavat. Not that the person has to do all this. There is no Tatparya with regard to that. So all these Vakyas of the Shruti and Smriti, in Shruti and Smriti, they glorify the Jnani. There is no Tatparya for the Jnani to enact all those things. Taduktam acharehi, that is said by the Acharya. Adharma jayate vijnanam yateshta charanam tataha dharma karyakatam tatsyat atra dharmo vinashyati. Taduktam acharehi, Acharya is Nishkarma Siddhi. Adharma jayate ajnanam yateshta charanam tataha. So, from adharma only ajnanam is born, avidya. By avidya only yateshta charanam. Therefore, dharma karya katam tatasya. Therefore, when following dharma, how can that be there? Therefore, tat syat atra dharma vinashyati. When dharma is violated, how can the person dharma karye katam tat syat tat syat atra dharma vinashyati. Taduktam acharya ki. Therefore, jnani will not act in any, will not engage in, will not participate in any activities which are against dharma. So, dharma karya katam syat iti katam tat syat atra dharmaha vinashyati. So, because adharma is born of ajnanam, therefore there is yateshta charanam tataha. Yateshta charanam follows. Whereas in the case of jnani, there is no yateshta charanam. In fact, its yateshta charanam becomes one, becomes natural with dharma. So dharma, therefore, you cannot act against dharma. It is quoted from the Nishkarmi Siddhi, which is not there in the Mula, that is Vedanta Sara. It quotes, this is 36. 36 is Tadanim Amanitvadini Jnana Sadharani Adveshtatrutvadeha Sadgunaha Cha Alankarvat Anuvartante. All these gunas Anuvartante. And Taduktam, the Acharya quoted from the Nishkarmi Siddhi. That's what here also he quotes from Nishkarmi Siddhi. Then Nanu Nanveyam Amanitva Adambitva Agimsa Kshantirarjom Ityadi Smriti Ukta Sadhanasya Adveshta Sarvabhutanam Ityadi Vachaneki Pratipadyamana Adveshtatvadi Guna Samuhasya Vidusham Sampadyamanatva Shavanat Tena Saha Virodhamashankya Amanitwadi Sampadanasya cha Vividisha Sanyasa Vishayatvad Vidusham to Lakshanatvena Alankaravat Anuvartanat Na Virodha iti Tadanim Ityat. So one small objection. Amanitam Adambitvam against all this and Adveshta Sarvabhutram, all these vachana. Adveshtritvadi Guna Samugasya Vidusham Sampadyamana Manatva Shravanat. So therefore, these are there already cultivated by Jnani. These are the avastha in the beginning stage of the spiritual journey. Therefore, Tena Saha Virodha Ashankayam Amanitwadi Sampadanasya cha. And these are cultivated by Vividisha Sannyasi, that is, who are in the sadhana avastha, sadhana stage. Vividisha Sannyasa Vishayatva. These are the Vishaya of the Vividisha Sannyasa. These are not the Vishaya of the Vidusha. Vidusha is the one who has already gained wisdom, knowledge. Vividisha Sannyasi is Veditum Ichuhu, who wants to know the truth. For them, all these qualities have to be cultivated. And what is the use of these values for the jnani? They are not used any of now. It is not much use. Alankaravat anuvartante. Just it flows down that it is like alankaravat, just an ornament to that person. Doesn't serve any person. Therefore there is no virodha with regard to this. There is no virodha. Anuvartana na virodha itiyaha tadanim iti. What is the virodha here? Where is the contradiction here? Because all these are sampadyamanat shavanat. All these are sampadyamanaha. It is shavanat, it is heard. Therefore, shavanena, mananadidhyasarena. After having cultivated all the spiritual values, the person has done shavana mananidhyasanam. and that is, therefore, he is becoming jnani, vidushaha. Therefore, these qualities remaining in that person is not virodha. These qualities naturally in that person, it's like an alankara. Whereas for those who work to gain this knowledge, for them, this is sampadyamana, manani. These are to be gained. Therefore, vividisha sannyasa vishayatvat. These are the vishaya of the vidisha sannyasa. Vidisham tu, whereas for the case of vidusha, lakshanatven anuvartante. It is like an ornament. Therefore, atra na virodaha asti na tadani viti acharyena uttam. Jivan mukta avasthayam ityartaha. So Jivan in the stage of Jivan Mukta, these are like ornament to that person. After Jnanam, there is Amanitvam, etc., which were the steps to Jnanam. Now it becomes an ornament for the person. All these continue in the person. Shubhavasana. Asmin arte Vartika Sammati Maha. Vartika means Vartikara. Vartikara is Naishkarme Siddhikara, that is Sureshwaracharya. अस्य विद्वत् सन्यासिनः जीवन्मुक्तस्य अद्वेष्टत्वादयः गुणाः अप्रयत्नेन स्वतः एव भवन्ति न तु साधनरूपिणः तं प्रति ते साधनरूपा न भवन्ति. These are naturally in the person, spontaneously in the person, not in the form of the sadhana. Therefore, there is no virodha. So these all these values existing in the person, it's not virodha. These are not there in the form of to be practiced, but it is there aprayatnena, without any effort, spontaneously, naturally is there in the person. Tatra hetumaha utpanna iti utpanna avabodhasya, that is Naishkarma Siddhi. Yataha utpanna atmabodaha brahmatmikatva nischaya rupaha tataha tasya te gunaha lakshanatvena bhavanti. So all these gunas lakshanatvena in the form of characteristics of the person, they lie in that person. Yata prabandena pratipadite अस्मिन् वेदांत साराख्ये ग्रंथे श्रीमद् परम गुरु परमंस सत्परिव्राजक आचार्य सदानंद योगीन्द्रेण महापुरुषेण अथ वेदांतो नाम इति आरभ्य साधन चतुष्टय संपन्नस्य परमातुः अधिकारिणः मूल अज्ञान निवृत्ति परमानंद प्राप्ति सिद्धये प्रतीयमान अविद्या अविद्य अविद्यक सकल प्रपंच जातस्य ब्रह्मणि अध्यारोप अपवाद पुरस्सरं स्वितस्सरं निष्प्रपंचत्वं प्रतिपाद्य तत्साधनं च श्रवणादिकं सप्रपंचम् अभिधाय तस्य एव अधिकारिणः तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य श्रवणान्तरं ब्रह्मात्मैकत्व साक्षात्कारेण निरस्त समस्त भेद बुद्धेः जीवन्मुक्तत्वं तदिष्टम्. This is one line, you summarize the whole thing. That is this text written by Srimad Parama Guru Paramahamsa Parivrajacharya Sadananda Yogindra by Mahapurusha. By this Mahapurusha, this Grantha which is written and begin with Vedanta Nama Upanishad Pramanam, first line. And Iti Arabhya, who is the Adhikari? Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampanna Adhikarinaha. Mula Ajnana Nivritti Dwara, by removing the Mula Ajnanam, Paramananda Siddhihi, Praptihi, Bhavati, Pratiyamana, then Avidya, Sakala, Prapancha Jatasya, all these are Avidya, Sakala, Prapancha Jatasya, all these are Brahmani Adya Ropaha. These are Aropita on the Brahma. Therefore, Adyaropa Apavada Purasaram by the Prakriya Adyaropa Apavadena Nishprapancham Prapachate. Nishprapancham Prapachate. So Pratipadya. By the Prakriya, Adyaropa Apavada, all these are Adyaropita on the Brahma. Therefore, by Adyaropa Apavada, method superimposition, desuperimposition, the reality is revealed, Pratipadya presented. Tat sadhanam cha, what is sadhanam? Shravanadikam, Saprapancham, Abhidaya, completely Abhidaya having presented. Tasya Adhikarinaha, Tattvamasya Adivakya, Shravanantaram by Mahavakya Shravanena Shravanantaram Brahmatmikatva Sakshatkarena by the Sakshatkara, by the knowledge, by the experience, by the knowledge of Brahma Sakshatkara, Ekatva Sakshatkara, oneness of the Brahma and Atma, Nirasta Samadha Masta Veda Buddhehe, all these referring to the person in whom all the Veda differences, Dvaita Buddhis are destroyed. That is called, that avastha is Jivan Muktatvam Pradashitam, presented the status of being free while living. Etavata eva karyasiddhehe kim bagulena iti manasi nidaya sampratyasya eva jivanmuktasya swaprakasha atmananda anubhava ekanishtasya veda pratiti abhave api vidyaleshavashat prarabdham karma bunchanaha भिक्षाटनादि देह यात्रा मात्रा क्रिया विशिष्टः ब्रह्मीभूत एव अवतिष्ठते इति उपसंहरति किं बगुना इत्यादिना किं बगुना the text, the passage 226. The person continues after jnanam, it continues. It is only for the maintenance of the shariram. Jivan muktah san, he continues, lives. So jivan muktasya and bhikshatanadi deha yatra matra, only for the journey, the continuance of this deha, because of prarabdha that continues. So therefore he does dikshatanam, etc. Brahmi bhutaha eva avatishtati, he remains with always in Brahma of jnanam. Brahmi bhutaha, he always remains in nishta. Iti upasamharati kim bhaguna iti. He concludes kim bhaguna iti. Then prarabdha, three types prarabdha that he told. Svechakritam, that is bhikshatanadi, etc. Samadhi avasthayam shishyadibhihi diyamana annadikam parechakritam. In samadhi avastha, the person, the jnani is fed by shishyas, that is parechakritam. Samadhi avasthayam vittana avasthayam va kashapala patavat akasmat jayamanam pashana patara kantaka vedadi karma anichakritam. There are some karma which are anicca, not desired, against his will, either in the samadhi avastha or in the yuttana avastha, jagrata avastha. Anichakritam, that is. Sacha ayam jivan muktaha prokta trivida prarabdha prapitam sukha dukkha anubhavan buddhyadi sakshitaya sarva avavasakaha san bhogena arabdha karma kshaye sati pratyeka bhinna paramatmani pranadi layanantaram pranishta avidya samsaraha kritakrityaha san galita sakala veda pratibhasaha brahma eva avatishtate iti sakala veda ragasya tatparyamityartaha. So saha ayam jivan muktaha prokta trivida prarabdha prapitam, all the three types of prarabdha. He remains a sakshi to all the sukha and dukkha which this prarabdha, three types of prarabdha brings in. He is a sarva bhasaka hasan. He is the illuminator of everything. He is the one tasya bhasa sarvamidam vibhati. Therefore, arabdena karma kshe sati. The arabdha karma kshe sati. Pratyagambina paramatmani pranadi layanantaram. He remains in pratyakatma, which is not different from Brahmani, till pranadi, that is sukshma sharira, layanantaram. Prashta vidya samskaraha. Avidya samskara is gone. Therefore, he is kritakrityaha son. He is kritakrityaha. Galita sakala veda pratibhasaha. All the veda pratibhasa, appearance of duality or galita are destroyed. Therefore, Brahma eva avtishtate iti. What is there is only Brahma eva, Brahma alone. This is the sakala veda ragasya tatparya. This is the tatparya of the entire Veda. It remains one with Brahma. After giving up the Sharira, Pranadi Layanantaram, after the after the giving up of Prana, that is, after the Stula Sharira, after the Prana, after the life, after giving up the Shariram, Stula Sharira merges into the Prithvi and Sukha Sharira is resolved into Hiranyagarbha. Then there is nothing is left out, therefore there is no Punarjanma. This is the Sakala Veda, Ragasya Tatparyam. अयम जीवन मुक्तः बुद्ध्यादि उपाधि विलये सति घटादि उपाधि विनिर्मुक्त आकाशवत् मुक्तः इति उपचार व्यवहार वाक् भवति बद्धत्वस्यापि अवास्तवत्वात्. Like this jivan muktaha buddhyadi upadhi vidaya sati, when the buddhi upadhi etc., when it is resolved, like how, like the gata upadhi, the gata akasha becomes one with para akasha. Similarly, it becomes one with para akasha. Gatadi upadhi vinirmukta akashavat muktaha iti upachara vyavahara bhag bhavati. So while living itself, it becomes free. This upadhi doesn't make any difference in the person. Gata akasha, para akasha. What is the difference in the akasha? Akasha is same. Similarly, for Jivan Mukta also, only Vyavahara is only upachara. It is just only in upachara. It's only upachara, not real, because it is avastavatva. It is not real. It doesn't interact in the world after jnanam like the people who are bound. Baddhavattasya api avastavatva. This is not vastavika. This is not the real. Therefore, he interacts with the unreal world like the ignorant interacts. But the intelligent, that this person, Jnani, knows it is not real. Therefore, his interaction is only a upachara. Upachara vyavahara bhag. His participation is only, the vyavahara is only upachara. It's not real. Avastavatvat. Vastava, na vastava, the status of being avastava, tasmat avastavatvat. Vastava means real. Like opposite of that, avasta. Avastavat, tasmat avastavatvat. That is the hetu. Avastavatvat, baddhatvasya, avastavatvat. The binding is not real. Therefore, upachara vivahara bhag bhavati. Upachara vivahara bhag. That is referring to the person, Jivan Muktaha. Taduktamacharyehi. न निरोधः न चोत्पत्तिर्न बन्धो न च साधकः न मुमुक्षुर्न वा मुक्तः इति एषा परमार्थता. निष्कर्म सिद्धि again. अस्य जीवन्मुक्तस्य उपाधि विनिगम समये प्राणाख्यं लिंग शरीरम् अतितप्त लोक क्षिप्त नीर बिन्दुवत् प्रत्येक अभिन्न परमानंदे लीनत्वात् स्थूल शरीरं न उत्तिष्ठति इति. So जीवन्मुक्तस्य Upadhi Vigama Samaye, when there is giving up of the Upadhi, when there is departure of the Upadhi, the Pranakyam Linga Shariram and all, they are like, it's like the water which is sprinkled on the hot iron. Therefore, Tadvat just dissolves. And Pratyek Abhinna Paramanande Linatvat. So Pratyekatma, Atma becomes one with Brahma. One is within quote, not really become. It is always one. Therefore, Stula Shariram, Linga Shariram dissolved. Therefore, Stula Shariram na uttishtati iti. Ata Shrutim aha na tasya iti. Na tasya pranaha utkramanti. Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Na tasya iti means we have to refer to the text. Vedanta Sara text. Na tasya pranaha utkramanti iti. Acharya Shrutim aha. Ayam Jivan Muktaha. Jivaneva Drishyamanaat Dragadveshadi Bandhanat Visheshana Muktasan Vartamana Dehapate Sati Bhavi Deha Bandhat Visheshana Muchyate iti. Atra Apishati Maha Vimuktascha Muchyate. The person is already is liberated while living. Dehapate, there is no future body. Bhavi Deha Bandhat Visheshana Muchyate. Getting another body from that also becomes free. Therefore, the Shruti says, Muktascha Muchyate, Tatopanishad we saw. He is liberated while living and liberated after the fall of the Shariram also. The one who is liberated, Deha, Bhavi Deha, Bandhat, Visheshan Muchyate. First Vimuktaha is Jivan Muktaha. Agadi Dvesha Bandhanat, Visheshan Muktaha, that is Jivan Muktaha, while living, is free. Then Degapate, after the fall of the Shariram, Bhavi Banda Visheshana Muchyate, is free from gaining Bhavi is future body. That also is becomes free from that. For Vimuktasya Vimuchyate. Because to Vimuktaha is that we have to explain what is the meaning. Then Brigadaneke api uchate. Yada sarve pamuchyante kama yesir dishitaha ata natyo mrato bhavati attar brahma samashtute iti. This is in Brigadaneka as well as in Kathopanishad. When all the kamas are Ridisitaha kamaha, when they are dissolved, person Martyaha, Manushyaha, Amritaha bhavati, Brahma samashtute, gains Brahma, attains Brahma, one becomes one with Brahma. Vasishte up in Yoga Vasishta also, Jivan Mukta Padam Tyaktva Swadehe Kalasat Krite Bhavati Adega Muktatvam Pavanospandataam iva Asangoyam e Purushaha Akashavat Sarvagatascha Nityaha Asnaviram Shuddhamapa Pavidham Ishavasya Upanishad Ityadi Shrutya Pratyagatmanaha Nityatva Paripurnatva Kutastva Shavanat उत्पत्ति आप्ति विकृति संस्कार चतुर्विध क्रिया फल विलक्षणत्वेन विद्यया नित्य निवृत्त अविद्या निवृत्ति मात्रेण प्राप्तः एव आत्मा पुनः प्राप्तः इति उपचर्येत. That is, जीवन मुक्तः while living is free. That is, आत्मज्ञानेन is मुक्तः भवति. Then after the fall, giving up the shariram, this Atma Prapti is only Upachara. So Punaha Nivritti Matrena Eva Praptaha Atma. Punah Praptaha again Praptaha again becoming free means that is only Upachara, is already free. Because from all the Shruti and Smriti, Ityadi Shrutya, Pratyekatmanaha, which is Nitya, Paripurna, Kotastha, Shravanat, then Utpatti, Vikruti, Samskara, Apti, all these types of four Kriya, different from the Vikriya, all the changes, by knowledge, Vidyaya, Nitya, Nivritta, Avidya, Nivritti Matrena. That's Avidya, Nivritti is Avidyayaha Nivritti, Nivritti Matrena, by that Atma is Praptaha. Atma is Praptaha. Then Punah Praptaha is, that's only Upachara. Vimuktascha Muchyate. Vimuktaha is Atma Praptaha, by the sadhaka, by the person. Praptaha means by Jnanena. It is not Apraptasya Prapta, we know. Praptasya Praptaha. Then Punah Praptaha, Vimuktascha Vimuchyate, that is Upacharyeta, Upachara. Adhishtanasya Gamana Abhave Adhyastasya Lokantara Gamana Yogat na Salokyadi Mukti Sambhavaha. When Adhishtanasya Gamana Adhisthana is doesn't go anywhere. Adhisthana is not removed. Adhyastha is only removed. Therefore, where does it go? Therefore, Lokantara Gamana Yoga, it doesn't, after the fall of the Shariram, doesn't go anywhere. Here itself it becomes free. Salokya Muktihi. Nanu Apraptasya Kriyasadhyasya Vastunah Vidyamana Anartha Nivrtescha Purushartatvam Dashtam Atra Tad Abhavat Katam Purushartatvam iti chet na. What is Purushartha? Purushartha is Apraptasya, that which is not gained by Kriya, by action. Vastunaha, the gaining the Vastu, Apraptasya Prapti. Or Vidyamana Anartha Nivritti, or that which is Anartha, removing that. By that, the person becomes free. Either gaining the person becomes free, happiness, gain happiness, or by Nivritti, by getting rid of the person becomes, the gains the Purushartha. That is his goal is, Purushartha is that happiness. Purushartha Siddhi, when do you say? Either by gaining or by getting rid of. Purushartha in the form of security, happiness, and peace, Santosha, is in the form of either gaining or getting rid of. But here, Tad Abhavat. Here there is no Here there is no gain, tadabhavat. Then how you say it is purushartatvam chet? Tayogo eva purushartam iti niyama abhavat. There is no niyama that alone is purushartha. Swarupa chayayam aropita rakshasah vismrta kantagata chamikarasya pranta purushasya aptavakyena tayogo nivritya aptya nivritti tasyo nivrityaptyoho api purushartatva drishtehe. That is, there is no rule that by the kriya getting or getting rid of, that alone cannot be said to be the purushartha, because there is no kriya involved here. To become free, what is the kriya? Only jnanam alone. There is no karma. Therefore, how do you say it is purushartha siddhi? Then we say there is no niyama. There is no niyama that purushartha siddhi only by karma, only by kriya. Kriya in the form of gaining or getting rid of. Getting or getting rid of. Here, the purushartha siddhi in the form of that rakshasa, that chayayam aropita. You imagine the chaya, the shade, to be a rakshasa. Or vismrita kanta gata chamikarasya. Vismrita kanta chamikarasya, the kanta, the necklace which is there in the kanta, the very your neck, it is there, but you forgot that it is there. You look for the necklace all over. So vismrita kanta gata chamikarasya. This is a maxim. This is a nyaya. So therefore, the Branta Purushasya, for the one who is Brantaha, confused, Aptavakyena, Tayoho Nivrityapyoho api Purushartha Drishtehe. By the Vakya of the Apta Purusha, like in the story of the 10th man. 10th man is told, you are that. The words remove the Ajnanam and the person becomes free from worries. Therefore, that is Purushartha Drishtehe. Purushartha Prapti is there. The person becomes free from worry. The person discovers himself. He is the 10th man. Therefore, Atra Sangraha Atma Jnana Malam Nirastamamalam Praptam Cha Tattvam Param Kantastha Baranadivat Kantastha Abaranadivat Brahmavasha Chaya Pishachi Yatha Aptokyapti Nivrittivat Shruti Shiro Vakyat Guru Ruttita Guroho Vuttita Dvasta Dvanta Nirasataha Paramas Sukam Praptum Tayoho Uchate iti. Don't know from where he quotes. That is Apta Vakya Aptoktya Aptokya, that is by the words of the Apta Purusha, that is Shruti, and Guroho Vakyena, this Dvasta Dvanta Nirasataha Panchami. We don't have time to explain each and every word here, so just I'll. Nirasataha is Panchami, because of the Dvasta Dvanta Nirasataha, complete removal of all the obstacles. Dvasta is removed. Dvanta Nirasataha is removed. Nirasa, then Ataha. Nirasataha is Panchamyarte Tasal. Nirasataha. And Dvasta is removal. Dvanta is that which is covered. So, Drajnanam. So, Dvasta, Dvanta Nirasataha, Paramasukam Praptam. By Upadesha, the Ajnana is, because the Ajnana is removed, therefore the person gains Jnanam. Therefore that is Purushartham only. Therefore he quotes from somewhere which is not given from where it is. Other words I am not explaining, we don't have time, we have to complete almost in the last page. Nacha Muktanam api Vasishta Bhishma Prabhutinam Paroksha Jnaninam Punardehantara Shavanat Kevala Jnanotpatti Samaye Eva Alpagnana अल्पज्ञानाम् अस्माकं मुक्तिः भवति कथं विश्वसिमः अतः ज्ञानव्यतिरेक्तम् अपि उपायान्तरं किञ्चित् कर्तव्यमिति वाच्यं शास्त्रप्रमाण्यादेव तद् उपपत्तेः. These Vashishta, Bhishma, etc., they are mukta. For they themselves have to take another sharinam. Pura Dehanantara, they themselves have taken sharinam. Iti Shtavanat, iti we hear in the Purana and etc. we hear. Then what to talk about the Alpajnanam, Asmakam, Mukti Bhavati iti, how do we conclude that we gain? Therefore, to gain jnanam, something else to be done. Iti, it says, then that is not proper because this is only by Shastram, that is Shastra Pramanyateva Utpattehe. Only by Shastra, the knowledge is born and the knowledge alone removes the samsara. Therefore, Kinchit Kartavya Miti Navachim, there is nothing to be done after or in synthesis with knowledge, jnanam. Why this doubt comes? Because even Vasishta, Bhishma, etc., they themselves had taken shariram. Iti we heard in the Purana. Then what to talk about us? Just by knowledge we become free. How can we believe that something else to be done? Kinchit kartavyam iti. That is not proper because Shastra Pramanyadeva Utpattehe, that moksha, that is jnanam, and therefore moksha is only by Shastra. Therefore tadutpattehe. Brahmaveda Brahmaiva Bhavati, Tarati Shokam Atmavit, Ityadi Shutibihi, Jnanotpatti Samayam Eva, Mukti Pratipadanat. So Shruti reveals, Jnana, that is Jnanotpatti Samayam Eva, Mukti Pratipadanat. There is moksha at the time of gaining knowledge itself. Brahmavit, the knower of Brahma becomes Brahma. The knower of Brahma not becomes. The knower of Brahma recognizes himself to be Brahma. There is no becoming. Becoming, when I say it is within quote, there is no action involved. Brahmavit Brahmaya Bhavati, Tarati Shokam Atmavit, crosses over this shoka, this ocean of the misery. How does he cross? By jnanam, not by karma. Na karmanana prajaya dhanena tyagena ike amritattva manashuhu. Taduktam sheshena tirte shapache grigeva nashta smritirapi parityajan deham jnana samakala muktaha kaivalyam yati atashokaha. It is quoted from Paramartha Sara. Tirtha or in Tirtha or Shapacha grige or in the house of a Chandala or Nashta Smritihi api parityajan deham, giving up the Sharira anywhere. Jnana samakala muktaha, at the time of very jnanam itself becomes free. Kaivalyam yati atashokaha, having given the atashokaha, the shoka, the sorrow is ata, is killed, is removed. Atashokaha san kaivalyam yati jnana samakala eva. Vasishtadinam tu adhikarika purushatvena yavat adhikaram prarabdha vega prayukta शापादिना स्वीकृत अवांतर देह पाते अपि तद्देह भावी भोगस्य निवारयितुम् अशक्यत्वात् प्रारब्धस्य विना भोगेन क्षय अनुपपत्तेः यावदधिकारम् अवस्थित अधिकारिणाम् इति भगवद् व्यासैः विशेषितत्वात्. So there is a sutra, Brahma Sutra, 3rd chapter, 3.32. There is an adhikaranam. Yavad adhikaram avastitihi adhikarinam. That is like the Vasishta and other great people. So even though they are muktaha, they are free, they are liberated, but they have got some mission to complete. Therefore, as long as the mission is not completed, they are born. It doesn't mean they are bound. This is said in Brahma Sutra. So, Nitya Muktaha san They are Nitya Mukta, but they take Janma because they have certain things to accomplish, to complete, mission to fulfill. Like the Vyasacharya. Vyasacharya is Apantara Tamas. He was Apantara Tamas before. He was, in fact, Apantara Tamas, it's a Rishi. Name of the Rishi is Apantara Tamas. He was born as Vyasa. Similarly, Sanat Kumara was born as Kanda. Similarly, all other Rishis, Vasishtha, Narada, they were born again. They took Janma again and again. Even though these Rishis have attained Brahma Jnana, but they had to take birth. Then one may ask, what is the use of this knowledge? If a Purupakshi asks, then we say, that is, an ordinary person after gaining knowledge is not born. But in the case of these people, all these great souls, these people, they have some mission to fulfill. Therefore, they're all great jnanis. They have got some mission to fulfill. Therefore, they take one or more janma. After having taken, they are not born again. Because they take janma, therefore, one must not conclude they will come under the sway of ignorance. Being free from ignorance, endowed with knowledge, they continue to be born as long as a prarabdha lasts for them. As long as a prarabdha is there, this could be compared to the prarabdha karma of a Jivan Mukta. As long as prarabdha is there, the Jivan Mukta continues. Similarly, these jnanis, they take janma, that prarabdha is something bigger. You have to imagine it is bigger. They got some mission to fulfill, which could not be accomplished in a given life, one life. Therefore, they take janmas till it is accomplished. Once it is accomplished, they are free. Free means ever free. Vimuktasya vimuchyate. So we have to extend the vimuktasya vimuchyate to the great rishis, Vasishtha, Narada, etc. So because they are born, it should not be mistaken them to be ajnanis. Being endowed with jnana, being free, they are born. Because they have got a bigger prarabdha to work out. Therefore, that's what he says here. ननु ज्ञानिनामपि स्वप्नवस्थायां देहान्तर स्वीकारात् मुक्तानामपि पुनर्देहान्तर स्वीकारः किं न स्यात् इति चेत् न कण्ठे स्वप्नं समाविशत् इत्यादि वाक्येषु निर्गमन अभावश्रवणात् देहान्तर प्राप्ते हेतु तदन्तर प्रतिपत्तौ इति अत्र देहात् निर्गमन श्रवणात् वैषम्यं तदुक्तं स्कन्दपुराणे यस्मिन् देहे दृढं ज्ञानम् अपरोक्षं विजायते तद्देह पातपर्यन्तमेव संसारदर्शनं पुरापिनाशि संसारदर्शनं परमार्थतः कथं तद्दर्शनं देहविनाशात् ऊर्ध्वमुच्यते तस्मात् धर्मात् विज्ञानं दृढं चर्म विग्रहे मीन्स चर्म जन्म लास्ट बॉडी जायते मुक्तिदं ज्ञानं प्रसादादेव मुच्येत इति तस्मात् सुष्टुभुक्तं विमुक्तस्य मुच्यते. So what I said, I gave only gist of this. We don't have time. We have to stop here. Then the author concludes, Nitya Shuddha Paripurnam Advayam Sachidatmakam Akandam Aksharam Sarvada Sukam Abodha Tatkritaihi Vajitam Sada Aham Sat Aham Asmi Tatatparam Govardhana Preranaya Vimukta Kshetre Pavitre Narasimha Yogi Vedanta Sarasya Chakara Tikam Subodhinim Vishwapatehe Purastat. So Vedanta Sarasya Subodhi Nama Tika Chakara means Litlakara. It did. Then Jate Pancha Shatadike Dashashate Samvatsaranam Punaha. Shatadike is 500. Dashashate is 1000, 1500. Maybe that is the time Samvatsara. Sanjate Dashavatsare Prabhuvar Shri Shalibaga Shake Prapte Durmukha Vatsare Durmukha Rama Samvate Durmukha the year Shubha Shuchau Mase Anumatyantito Prapte Bhargava Vasara is Bhrugavasaram Naraharish Tikam, that is the Tika Narahari Tika Chakaro Jwalam Iti Srimad Paramamsa Parivrajakaacharya Srimad Krishnananda Bhagavat Pujya Pada Shishya Narasimha Saraswati Krita Subodhini Subodhini Vyakya Akya Subodhinyakya Vedanta Saratika Samapta Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha. It took a little longer time. We have to complete today. We don't want to extend it. I gave the gist of the entire the Tika last part. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಜಿ.